Hello guys, and welcome to this new Power BI tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create the following interactive dashboard, which is about customer personality analysis. So this analysis is based on a marketing strategy, which is called the 4Ps. So the 4Ps are product, price, place, and promotion. So as you can see, we are going to create different charts. So we have average income by education, average income by marital status, customers by marital status, and total kids at home, customers by year of birth. We have purchase place, the different products, customers by marital status, customers by compliance, customers by education. But before start creating our dashboard, let's first explore our dataset. So here we have our dataset, and you can find this link in the description to download it. And as you can read here, customer personality analysis is a detailed analysis of a company's ideal customers. It helps business to better understand its customers and makes it easier for them to modify products according to the specific needs, behaviors, and concerns of different types of customers. So for the columns, we have the ID, so customer's unique identifier, year of birth, education, marital status, the income, so yearly household income, kids at home, number of teenagers at home. So we have date of customers enrollment with the company, recency, and complaint. Whereas for the products, we have mainly 6. So we have wine, fruits, meat, fish, sweet products, and gold products. Whereas for the promotion, we have a number of purchases made without a discount. Then here we have the different complaints, and we have the response. Next, for the place, we have number of purchases made through the company's website, a catalog, in stores, and finally, we have number of visits to company's website in the last month. So now let's start creating our different charts. So here I have created a new project, and the first thing that we are going to do is to import our data. So click on Get Data, Text CSV, Connect. We click on Load. Okay, so once we have imported data, we can see all of the columns in here. And the first thing that we are going to do is to modify the complaint column by changing 0 to no and 1 to yes. So to do that, we click in here, transform data. We go to transform, and we go to the complaint column. We change the type to text, replace, and we change the values. So replace values, 0 will be no, and 1 will be yes. Okay. Now, once you save that, you need to give it a name. So I gave it the name marketing project, and you click on apply. Now we close that. Do you want to apply your changes? Yes. So here we have modified our column, and now I'm going to change the background. So click in here, background, color, more colors, and we write the following code: 1F2630 and transparency 0%. Okay, now we have our background. Now I'm going to create our first chart, which is the average salary by education. To do that, we select clustered bar chart. We select education and income as the average. Okay, now I'm going to modify that. Okay, so we can put it like this. First thing to do is to change the background to the same color. The border will be with the following color. So we write the following code: 9EA0A5, rounded corners 20. All right, for the title, we have average income by education. It will be the center with the same color. in bold. All right, now back to here, y-axis, we remove the title, we select the same color, bold, and same thing for the x-axis. So we remove the title and the values will be with the same color in bold. All right, now for the parse, we select the same color and we remove the grid lines. Okay, so like that we have our first chart, which is average income by education. We can also add the labels. So there are labels on, and we select the same color in bold. Okay, next we have the average income by marital status. So copy this one, put it in here, and instead of education we put marital status. Okay, so we change the title. So instead of education we have marital status. Okay, next we have customers by year of birth. So same thing, we copy paste this one, and we change it into clustered column chart. We remove this one, remove this one. We select year of birth on the x-axis, and on the y-axis we are going to select the count of ID. Okay, so here we have our chart. We remove the labels and also the grid lines. All right, next we have customers by marital status and total kids at home. So copy paste this one, and we remove this one, remove this one. On the x-axis we select marital status, and on the y-axis we have total kids at home. All right, so we can change the titles. This one, it will be customers by year of birth. Okay, and this one, it will be customers by marital status and kids at home. Okay, we can also add the labels to this chart. So go to visualizations, the labels on. Okay, next we are going to create 3 donut charts. So one for customers by education, another one for complaints, and also by marital status. So we copy this one, okay, just put it like that, and we change it to donut chart. So we remove this one and we select the ID. All right, and we remove the legend. For the labels we select category percent of total. Okay, and for the slices we can change into the following colors. For example, we can choose this one, next 3. Okay, and the title, it will be customers by education. Okay, so I remove this one. Okay, the next one, it will be customers by complaint. So copy paste this one, can put it like that, and instead of education we can select the complaint, and also we can change the title. So we have complaint, and also the color. So for the slices, for example, we can select this one and this one. Okay, and the next one, it will be customers by my little stars. Okay, so decrease like that. Instead of complaint, we select the my little stars. So same thing, we can change the colors. For example, married, we select this one, together this one. It's up to you to change the colors that you want. So this is just to define some colors for different slices. All right. So like that, we have our 3 donut charts. Next, we are going to create 2 pie charts. So we can copy this one, put it here. And we select pie chart. So remove this one, and this will be for the purchase place. So we can select the catalog, store, and web. Okay, so we can change this one. So click in here, rename for this visual, and we select catalog purchases. Okay, same thing for the second one, it will be store, and that one, it will be the web. So rename, it will be the web. Okay, change the title, select purchase places, and same thing, we can change the colors. So for slices, for example, the first one, it will be this color, second one this color, and third one this color. Okay, so copy this one, copy paste, and the last one, it will be the products. So rename it to products, and for example, we can select the fish, just to remove this one. So remove everything, and we select fish, fruits, cold products, meat, and sweet products, for example. Same thing, we can change the title or the names. So the first one, it will be fish, second one fruits, cold products, we have meat, and sweet. Okay, same thing, we can change the colors. First one, for example, it will be this one, second one, okay. So if we close everything, we get our final dashboard for the customer personality analysis. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching, and see you in next tutorial.